The ongoing pandemic has left a lot of people without a job. The unemployment rate in the U.S. is double what it was a year ago. People are worried, and rightly so. They are looking for other ways to earn some extra income. Many are thinking about starting an internet business and making money online. The internet has no borders, and the playing field is leveled. It welcomes everyone, no matter where you are. You could be an affiliate marketer and start making hundreds a day from the safety of your own home. However, reality is that 96% of people who try to earn online income, they never succeed. Many join expensive training programs only to find out that they spent their money on empty promises and can never recover any of it, let alone earn an extra income. The methods that are taught by so-called gurus are often outdated, mediocre, and simply don't work. The reason for today's video is to show you a way how you could start building an internet business by using a 100% free program, even if you are a newbie and have zero technical experience, or don't even have a website. Here's how it works. 1. Join a free Facebook group. There are already close to 75,000 members, growing rapidly every day. 2. Watch a series of short training videos, follow the steps, and implement the actions that have to be taken. 3. Share the link to the group on social media. Everyone does the same, sharing the link online. There is no selling whatsoever. All you do is invite people to the group. The owner of the group is a 15-year internet marketing veteran, and his team, they do all the selling for you. The more you share the link, the higher the chance of making daily commissions. The training is extremely valuable, and it's 100% free. As you go along and start earning, you have the possibility to upgrade and earn higher commissions, but it is not required. If you are seriously thinking about earning online, I suggest you check out the group. Go to imakemoneyeasy.com. You see other members posting their results and discover how they are helping each other succeed. However, if you are not willing to spend a couple of hours a week to do the work that is required and follow the video instructions, post and share the link, then please do not join this group. If you don't do anything, you won't make anything. It's really that simple. Ready to join? Go to imakemoneyeasy.com.